The AMA has released the Anaheim 2 Supercross post-race penalty report, and we already knew about the Jason Anderson going off track and whatever thing. But as of today, we learned about this. The fact that Cooper Webb is getting fined for refusing a post-race interview after race 2. And if you follow football, you know what that is. The "I'm just here so I don't get fined" Marshon Lynch thing from a few years ago. That is absolute gold. And that was what Cooper Webb posted today on his Instagram. And I absolutely love the fact that he put that out there. It's such a like middle finger to the AMA being like, you know, whatever. It's funny to me. And obviously a penalty or a fine like this to these people, like $1,000 or whatever it's going to be, who knows, is absolutely nothing. Like it's minuscule. They're going to sit there and pay it and be perfectly happy. But I just love the fact that he used the Marshon Lynch thing, and it's so funny that, and I hope next time he has to do an interview, he just uses that and just, it's going to be funny to me. But comments below, you guys tell me, who do you think is going to win Detroit? Who do you think is going to do well in the 250s coming into the East Coast? We're going to have different riders for this week. The Deacon train is going to be on full display, and wherever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.